तुमको थोड़ा शर्म आना चाहिए, जब तुम ओपन ही नहीं किया तो कैसे वीडियो बना रहे थे। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय ब्लॉग। सो आम ए बाहर राति 12टा हो गलानी। आम ए बाहर से मोर सांग से जे कि रिजाइन दे देछि मोर फ्रेंड, तो तापे आज गोटे छोट पार्टी अच्छी, तो आम से जावाई बाहरी। I really miss you always, babe. She is my first friend when I joined in New Yorker in company. Really.
I miss you also, babe. You will understand.
But I feel really inside. I feel really very sad.
Of course.
आम दिज रेडी हो गलु वाशरूम रे आसिक, तो एबे हम जाउछु। She's more beautiful more than me. तो आम समस्त रेडी हो बाहर के जाऊँ। आहरी स्टाफ मैंने अच्छा, तो बहुत दुख लगुच कि सी रिजाइन देदेला। मुझे आसती सी मोर फर्स्ट सांग थिला, तबे सी पुणी रिजाइन दे दी। Where is Simon? Where? I told you. Where is Kay? In store की
The cleaner is there. They will lock the door.
See, I will see. सर साइमन नहीं जाएगा सर? वो बैग दिया था सर आपको, ओल्ड बैग।
साइमन के पास है ना वो?
हाँ मैं
साइमन कहाँ गया?
कैसे जाएंगे इतना लोग गाड़ी में सर?
गुड क्वेश्चन।
नहीं तो मैं ऊपर को टैक्सी को क्या बोलते हैं, मेट्रो में जा रहा हूँ।
वापस चलना ही पड़ेगा भाई। कुछ नहीं, 5 बैठेंगे ना।
की किसके पास है? की किसके पास है?
अच्छा, मोबाइल छीन के भाग जाएगा तेरा।
नहीं देखे।
की किसके पास है?
चाचा के पास है।
साइमन आ रहे।
अरे वो बैग नहीं लिया मैंने।
तो मैंने तो ये मैनेजर, ये स्टाफ, हम लोग कभी सभी जा रहे हैं स्टाफ को पार्टी के लिए।
बंगाली में बोले।
15 25
देखे ना वो।
मैं आ जाऊँ।
चलो। Robin, you want to say something to Jason? You can speak now. I don't know. Look, I will post this. मैं पोस्ट करूँ
उसका। हाँ? बोले क्या रहे?
She's asking in the video. No, you want to say something? She said, I love you. I said.
When you say you know I'm posting this one, right? Okay, I will post.
No. Now one interesting game is there.
What game, sir?
Okay. The
Okay.
game is there are 5 people
Yes.
and there is seat only for 4 people.
Okay.
So me and Chacha has decided one game. We will reveal when we will reach to the.
सेठी गोटे गेम खेला बस से सार कहउछन मी आई विल सिट इन फ्रंट, यू सिट विथ प्रवीण एंड चाचा।
Okay, so now finally we have arrived
Yes.
near to my Ferrari.
Yes.
Okay. Now the question is, we are 5.
Yes.
And one seat is four. No, we will not do lucky draw. We will do one magic.
Okay.
We will do one game. Okay. So please hand over your mobile to me. Okay. Okay. Now.
Chacha will go here.
अबे यार तुम्हारे को.
I will go there.
Okay.
Now we have made one names. Okay.
Okay.
So now Chacha have all the names and the seat locations.
Simon, come. You are
Okay. So you need to pick the seat which you wanted to sit. Okay. And later on you need to choose that and you need to be with that seat only. Okay.
My finger.
So everyone has to take one finger.
So how will you know?
Okay. This is the one.
Simon, choose one finger.
Huh?
The both. Where is my name?
Mine is this one.
Okay. Show me the fingers.
Praveen is Dicky.
So Praveen is Dicky. So please go inside. Yeah, he is a lucky person who is going to be inside the dicky. Okay. I will open the dicky. Please go.
Sir, ऐसे कर। ओके सो एबे आमे जाउछु समस्ते तो प्रवीण अभी ओ सीट एबे डिक्की ताना उठले से जीवो आमे सब पछरे बसिबा तो एबे आमे सब जाउछु तो देखिबा कौन होची कौन नहीं सेठी जाई देखिबा लेट्स गो चलो 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 4 लोग बैठेंगे सर पीछे
कहाँ बैठोगे कहाँ बैठने का मन है?
तुम साइमन के साथ बैठना।
इट्स ओके बी पॉजिटिव थिंग
और डिक्की में बैठने के लिए बोलो डिक्की सबसे पहले आगे बैठ गया आगे पहले से अच्छा मिला है। हेलो वेयर आर यू? हाँ
तो मैं सिगन पहुंचे जो ट्रैफिक रे नमो ट्रैफिक रे छिड़ा है जो पूरे
I will call him. You get ready. I will come. We are only reaching.
सिटी कॉलेज में देखिए
Okay,
कौन
okay.
अच्छी कौन
I'm
नहीं
coming. Send your location to me. Okay. Okay.
अच्छे से बैठे नहीं बैठे
वेज में क्या ऑर्डर बोला? पनीर में
तुम्हारा आज भेज है क्या
सर के लिए।
हाँ सर भेज
This is called Jaida flyover. Near Jaida flyover, this area.
राजेश भी लेके जाना हम लोग ठीक है वो भी बाहर ही बैठे
आया नहीं अभी तक?
आगे ऑलरेडी इधर ही
अच्छा इधर ही बैठा हुआ है.
वो नया लड़का पूछ रहे थे सर मेरे लिए कौन पैसा दे रहा है मैंने बोला हम सब लोग मिल के दे रहे हैं क्योंकि तुम्हारा सैलरी नहीं आया ना अभी तक इसलिए
ठीक है कोई नहीं.
फिर राजेश बोला कि मेरा पैसा भी दे दे मैंने ज्यादा ड्रामा मत कर पैसा निकल पहले
That front which is flyover is showing ना. That is called Jaida flyover. लिखा ना Jaida Motors.
जायदा मोटर्स।
हाँ. ये पांडा हाइपर मार्केट है.
तुम्हारा पति का है
हाँ, मेरे है
ये है ये जो है ना ये है रेस्टोरेंट.
ये रोटाना तो এইটা হচ্ছে লোকেশন जोटी आमे आसी पहुंचले आमे एबे जिबा साइमन
नमस्कार.
हाँ कुछ आपके अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोलो
मेरे लैंग्वेज में मैं बोल दूंगा तो समझ में किसी को नहीं आएगा.
वो नेपाल से
चलो, ठीक
से
है.
नेपाल तंगो से
मैं नेपाल से नहीं हूँ भाई, इंडिया से हूँ, दार्जिलिंग से.
हाँ सॉरी मैं भूल गई कि वो से भी माने जने इंडिया वेस्टर्न
नीचे बोलेगा तो 24 आवर है। इधर आप लोग बैठेगा तो अभी क्लीन करने का टाइम है, आप लोग को डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा। नीचे है बड़ा। कितना आदमी आपको? 10 15
15 नहीं 12 की 13 ऐसे ही होगा
नहीं रेडी कर देगा।
What I will give you? Still I'm using free Wi-Fi. Oh Rajesh.
There is Wi-Fi.
बंगाली में कुछ बोल दो केमन अच्छे
की कॉपर।
Give me hotspot too है ना Everyone using free Wi-Fi no anyone have data Who see Let's check Don't say good. I know the reality. Let's come here. We will sit here. Huh? Yes. Put it there. Giselle, I will put down. Yes, you want the seat. Keep it here.
Where is Shayma? She with you? Okay. Yeah, but comes there.
તો એ બી અમે સમસ્ତେ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଛୁ ଆମେ ସବୁ ୱେଟ୍ କରୁଛୁ କି ଆହୁରି ଆମର କିଛି ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଆସିବାର ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ I will talk to you.
Hi guys, how are you?
Everyone is good, I think. I'm also good and she also good. After a long time we see together, right?
Yeah.
Because before we are working together, everyone know it's coming live. But now we are working different place, but the same company. So after a long time we see together. Audi John Tapas ki pahunch. Salam alaikum. كيف حالك؟
If you spell this word, I will keep it. You know?
I know, baby.
Followers. Especially need followers. Love me, please. I'm pretty.
Salam alaikum. Okay, they're all best friends he's here.
Only for her. So, no rice.
What you will do?
What with noodles? Oh, I forgot you are in the restaurant. I don't know. But you ordered biryani, right?
No biryani.
Your favorite noodles, no?
He said no biryani. No biryani. What you ordered, Beshi?
You need to be open this one first before you
Surprise,
eat.
surprise.
You need to wear t-shirt, wet.
I didn't write that Guys, I need to write.
Robin is excited to be right now.
I want to resign too.
Open. Open that. This no. Open up one by one. We need to be. You have no
Surprise.
This inside. Your favorite. I know which one.
This is my favorite uniform.
Yeah, I know. That's why I give it to you. Check it this one.
After they remove the uniform, I put this one
So
in my
Aldo
kitchen.
bag.
Okay. I got you all.
Jumal.
How are you, Jumal? I wrote already.
My plastic bag. I will sit with my plastic friend.
No pictures?
They're all my plastic friends.
I already have this one.
Yeah, I have so many mobiles here.
I will like that. Hindi nga ako
Okay, sir. Okay.
Kasi nga may match.
But Praveen, you see, next year, guys, 100 years.
Say next year. I told you don't say that. Say inshallah.
Okay, Habibi.
Next year it is sure, that's why.
Melo Kalas only. Because I'm.
Halas, this is it.
Hala, devil. It's you. We know already that you are the one.
मिलन picture भेजो ना तुम्हारे फोन में.
Jumala, maybe you will Google again, ha?
Don't write in Arabic, huh? Write in English.
The Google pa yan nung magpapala. Susunod siya kay mama.
Don't write in
You are
English.
happy, right?
Take stand here.
Oh, Tita.
Wow, dream surprise coming.
How much to you?
Baby shower. I sold my this one now. Ovary. Ito bakla.
What? No, you need to open.
You can use that one.
Yeah.
You are in Luxor brand. That's why. Wow.
Wow. Gusto ko kami kaya pero mas yun. Hindi kami.
भारी है वो।
Jason.
Oh my God. Beautiful.
स्पेशल डेजर्ट टेबल पे इसको कोकोनट उधर रख इधर आप रख दो
हमारा पार्टी सरी अलमोस्ट सरीबा करे आम ए घर को जीवा It's the word for Sir Mohan.
No, sir, it's okay with me also. Before only but now it's okay. Because for now, all the manager go only sir left, who is professional than other one. But sir is okay. Thank you, sir, for everything.
For the support.
Because you know,
Best manager.
sir is always doing the one. If for example there is gatherings, he's the one busy always. We do this one. we
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that. He's the one
Calling this.
calling everyone. It's good.
But you know the exciting part, when I go to DFC, we had a fight. Yes, because that time it was a work pressure and
से ଏବେ ଆମର ପାର୍ଟି ସରିଲା ତ ଆମେ ସବୁ ଘରକୁ ଯାଉଛେ ଓ ରେଡି
Korean noodles.
Don't cry, Jisin.
Uyubarin mo na yan.
So you happy now you see when you again?
Uy, let's selfie. Uy, come na ba?
Yes, yes.
Come, guys.
Come guys.
This is sir. This is my
Eat, now please get lost.
photo pa.
Giselle, wish you all the best.
Thank you. Bye bye. ଏବେ ଆମ ପାର୍ଟି ସରିଲା ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାଉଛୁ ରୁମକୁ ଏବେ ସମସ୍ତେ କେମିତି ଯିବା ଏତେ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଆମେ ଆସିଲା ସେ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଆସିଥିଲୁ ଏବେ ଆମେ ତ ଯିବା ସମସ୍ତେ କେମିତି ଯିବେ ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ଚାଲିଛି ସମସ୍ତେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ତ ସମସ୍ତେ କେମିତି ଯିବା ଆମେ ତ ଯିବେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆମକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ ସାର୍ ଆମକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ ରୁମ୍ରେ ବଟ୍ ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଯିବେ ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ଚାଲିଛି Bye bye. Simon. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Nagpaalam siya. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Why you are sitting there? उसमें लगा लेते इसका अभी क्या करेंगे किसका इसको छोड़ इसको पहले छोड़ दो तुम तो लास्ट में छोड़
But there is online, right? Yeah, online. Just for but only 3-5 only.
Here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
These all Mulberry गाड़ीज हाँ
Good night, sir.
चलो bye bye good night
Bye bye.
Bye baby. Good night. See you.
चलो bye 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 Jamil
Bye, sir.
Vietnam momos
And then left right.
this one na this left
Here.
it's okay
It's okay here, sir. Don't need because you will go in.
straight
You know, it's okay, sir. Just
Sure. Bye bye.
चलो bye bye Giselle
Bye. Bye bye.
Millie, my
yeah grocery
thank you, Millie.
okay bye 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 good night take care अभी सीधा डन करके बेस्ट लंका
Momos.
उधर रुकता हूँ
सर इधर ही रुकिए
चल ठीक
Okay sir. Good night.
बाय गुड नाइट
Good night sir. चलो 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 तो ये आसिक आम रूम रे पहुँची गले समस्ते पलैले आम दीज ये पाखे तार रूम मोर रूम ये पाखे तो आम दीज जाक जाऊँ ए तो मुझे सब किसी देखली कौन केमती थिला कौन नाई पुणी देखा नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे ରହୁଛି ବାଏ ବାଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍ ମିଲିନ ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍ ବୋଲ
गुड नाइट शब्बा खैर
बाय बाय ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆସିକି ଫାଇନାଲି ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲି ରୁମ୍ରେ ଯେମିତିକି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇଲି କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ ଆଶିଷ ପୁରା ରାଗିକି ନେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ଏତେ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି ଅଲରେଡ଼ି କେତେଟା ଟାଇମ୍ ହେଲାନି ଏଠି 3:30 ହେଲାନି ମାନେ AM ରାତି ତ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଦେଖା ହେବ ନୂଆ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ରହୁଛି ବାଏ ବାଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍